So you might be in a situation where you keep getting this type of pop-up that it tells you that it's unable to verify any update on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic and it really does not take too much time at all, but there's a couple things you're going to want to try doing. If there's that retry button that pops up right in the center, go ahead and tap on retry, and that could end up kind of fixing this problem for a lot of people. It's a super basic thing, but try clicking retry and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, the next thing you're going to want to do is try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone. You want to go and power it off, give it a few seconds, power it back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. And like I said, for a lot of people that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't seem to be fixing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to probably go through and just to see if your Apple servers and if Apple in general is just down. So you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, or go to Apple's website and see if anybody's complaining about it. And if Apple servers are down, if they're down, it'll show you like an Apple logo here, and it'll just show you that, big spike like these ones. All you're going to have to do is basically just wait it out until Apple ends up fixing their servers. After that, you should be good to go, and then you can essentially go through and use your account as you normally would. And if that's still not working, you might want to just try to reinstall your particular device. So try going back into software update, try canceling that update, and try reinstalling that update, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.